Hi there, you're in the lab with me, JJ. Today is mail call, just a very quick mail call today. I got one bag of stuff from China. This is it. It's not really a big bag, so it shouldn't take long to get through. Um, so, silly job title for today is Bit Distinguisher. Today I'm the Bit Distinguisher. So this is going to be a quick video. Let's pop over to the bench and see what's arrived in the mail. All right, well, here we are on the bench. So let's start with this little guy. Just a whole bunch of small things, really, today, cables and such. Let's see, what do we got in here? Oh, they're thermistors. Yeah, I remember buying these. So this is 100K. This is 10K. This is also 10K. And this is 100K. Interesting. Okay. Well, let me get the containers for that. All right. So I already have a few 10K thermistors, but this will bring that up to 200. All right, well, I'll just do this quickly. I'm going to put them in the container and put the stickers in there as well. So let's do that quickly. All right, so there's my lifetime supply of 10K and 100K thermistors. I'll go put them away. All right, I'm going to go, and these are next. I'm sure what's in here. All right, so these ones here are 540s, and I think I've got a container for them, so I'll go grab it. All right, this is my 540 box. I don't have any yet, but I've reserved it. I would have reserved it when I placed the order for these parts. I'm not sure how many of them I got, but it looks like I got 2 lots, which might have been what I did. I'm not sure yet. All right, so we're just gonna file these. Now for this one, we're gonna want both. So we'll cut that out first. All right, on we go. Now I've got a whole lot of these, which are just cables, pretty boring cables for CPU fans and such. Not sure what I did there. Anyway, we're going to put those in here. And we're going to want to keep one set of the paperwork in the box and the other set for the scrapbook. Trying to get this open. So let's chop out the bits. Just need the top bit. I might as well stick the bottom bit in there as well. Why not? All right, so that's the MOSFETs filed. I'll just go and put them away. All right, so now I'm going to tidy up these. I'll do that quickly on time lapse. All right, so there's my box full of 12-volt fan cables. That's labeled. I don't know if you can see that there. So I'm just going to file this, and then we'll get on with the rest of the stuff. All right, so this is my drawer with our mains power connector. Of course, this is what those look like in Australia. So we've got a couple of them here. Will they all fit? I don't think they're going to fit. Okay. Well, let's upgrade. We'll get a bigger box. Hang on a sec. All right, well, here's a bigger box. Looks like I've got a note in here. Very good. All right. Well, I'm going to have to label this and clear this. So let's do that quickly. All right. So that's that box labeled. And if you can see that it says 240 volt mains power. So I'll go and file this. I'll be back. All right. So it's just whatever's in here. Looks like I've got 3 bags. They could very well be the same. What have we got? Oh, okay. I'll just chop this out quickly. All right, well, that's all done and put away. So now it's just the scrapbooking to do. So I'll do that quickly. All right, well, there's the scrapbooking done. So I'll just put that away and then we're finished. That's a wrap. It's traditional at the end of a video, the mail call video, that I tell you what I was most impressed by and least impressed by. But I have to say that today's mail call was all equally boring, wasn't it? We got the mains power adapters. We got the CPU case fan cables. We got the various MOSFETs. And we got something else, but it was all kind of underwhelming, just boring fodder, cables and such. So nothing really sexy today. But just bits and pieces that you find yourself needing. I got those 12 volt fan cables so I could work on the silicon chip and JCAR project number 3. So now that I've got the cables that I need, I think I've got everything else that I need to get that project done, which will be probably hopefully on Saturday, not this Saturday, but next Saturday. So anyway, that's the end. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember to hit like and subscribe.